Hi everybody, today I'm sharing a red dragon mask. To start, I'm using black and orange Starblends on my eyes. Next, with a flat brush loaded with a one-stroke cake that has red and orange, keeping the red on the outside, I'm going to create my first set of dragon spikes that resemble three-pointed butterfly wing that starts just above my eye and ends at the outer corner of my eye. The second set of dragon spikes that start at the outer corner of the eye and end just below the bottom of my eye. And create the dragon's nose. Painting the tip of my nose with the red towards the outside. Painting the brow area. And now filling in the top portion of the mask with the orange that's on the brush. Here I'm closing the mask by painting under the eye and connecting the nose to the bottom spikes. Now filling the nose and the under eyes. Using a round brush loaded with beige paint, I want to create two large horns, one on each side, that connect at the brow area. And I made two guide dots just above the corners of my mouth as the starting point for the two large horns just below my eyes. Here I'm using some wispy strokes in brown for shadow at the base of my horns. I've loaded black on my round brush for all details, starting with some frown lines, some nose details, outline the mask, and paint some nostrils. Lines around the eyes at the brow area. Under the eyes, And next, a little brown for outlining around the horns. Black for cracks. And also skin folds at the base of each horn. And using a damp Filbert brush and black paint, I'm going to add some shadow around my eyes, the bottoms of the top peaks, the nose area, and also around the skin folds at the base of the top horns. And with added highlights, this completes the design. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching, and I'll see you next time.
So what you telling me, Father?